Hi guys, today we're going to play, guys. This is our toys. Guys, this is our Christmas toys, guys. This is Lego. I will going to build in this Lego, guys. Wow. This is our gun. Guys, this is my toys. Guys. Whoa. This, guys. This is our toys, guys. Guys, we're going to build toys, guys. Guys, this is gun. Pew, 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 guys. Guys, this is our toys. Guys, it's opening time. Yes, guys, this is our toys. This is our toys, guys. Guys, this is our toys. The bricks, guys. Guys, this is our bricks. Guys, how it's large. And guys, this is we're going to play, guys. Today we're going to play. Guys. Wow. This is dinosaur. Guys, this is our dinosaur. Wow, guys, like and share and subscribe. This is my new toys review, guys, and this is Luigi and Yoshi. Wow, Super Mario time, guys. This is our Super Mario, guys. This is our Super Mario time. Wow, guys, this is our bricks. Guys, this is our bricks. Wow. Yes, done yet, guys. Wow, this is a camel. Guys, what is this animal? Please, can you just it? This is camel, lion, or cat? 3 seconds. Yeah! This is a camel, guys. This is the cars, guys. Guys, look at these bricks, guys.
Tara na, isip na tayo dun.
Guys, this is bricks. Guys, and this is Tasha. Guys, this is Tasha. He took my bricks. Guys. Guys. Look at this I built. This is sword, guys. Yeah. Shoot. Wow! The sword is fall down, guys. Guys, and this is our bricks, guys. Guys, this is our bricks. Wow! Wow! It fell down, guys. Guys. And this is my cars, and this is Yoshi. Guys. And this is my toys, guys. This is my toys. Guys. Whoa! We'll build a tower. Yeah. Wow! And this is number 1. Guys, wait, guys. This is number 1. Guys, this is number 1. Now, our toys is cashier time, guys. Wow, guys, it's this our bricks, guys. Wow! It's fell down, guys. And this is my cars. Guys. Yes, this is cars. Guys. And this is my cars. And this is our bricks. Tasha took my Legos. Guys, Tasha took my Legos. Guys, Tasha is so cute, guys, and he took my Lego. Tasha is my best sister. Guys, look at guys. Wow, this is bricks, guys. Oh, Tasha took my bricks, guys. It will fall down, guys. Oh no, Tasha took my bricks, guys. I built a letter C. This is curve. Wow! My tower fell down. Bye guys! Don't forget like and share and subscribe for my toys review. And this is my new desk buy in online. Guys, bye guys. Don't forget like and share and subscribe for my this is Santa Claus Christmas gift. My toys is Santa Claus Christmas gift. Guys, this is toys review of Christmas. Guys, bye guys. Merry Christmas. Bye guys.